Good morning everyone, Jackson from Sask Adventures here. Today we're going to be fishing the South Saskatchewan River in the middle of Saskatoon. In this video I catch an absolutely gorgeous lake sturgeon and a bunch of other fish you're definitely going to want to see. So without further ado, let's get right into the action. Just took the long trek all the way from the weir down there. Definitely a good day for it though, especially walleye today. Nice and cloudy. That's the lure that I'm using today. Just a little spoon. Decent fish, decent fish. Oh, my line is too tight. Don't come off, don't come off. Oh yeah, nice little walleye. Gotcha. Well, that guy was a pain to get out of the net, but he's gone now. Well guys, after that first walleye, fishing has really slowed down. I ended up catching 3 more, but they were just really tiny compared to that first one. So I'm gonna end up getting my other rod out and using my bottom fishing rig and seeing if we can have some luck there. Perfect. Good bite. Good bite, good bite. Get this bell off of here. I don't need that slingshotting into the water. No, 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 stay away from those rocks. No, no, no. Come this way. Come this way. He's right against the shore right now. That's a nice sucker. Very nice sucker. Oh, yeah. Now that is a red horse. Look at the beautiful colors on those fins, dude. Holy. Okay, let's get this guy back. Let's get a good release on this guy. There he goes. See you later, buddy. Something has been messing with this rod for the past 10 or so minutes now. And it has to be really small because it is barely biting. Oh, yeah. Get the net ready. Shoot, did it get snagged? I think it got snagged. No, 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 no. No, no, no. Gosh, it's still on, I got it unsnagged. Oh my gosh, it's huge. It just jumped. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's huge. Holy crap, it just jumped straight out of the water. I don't even know if it was snagged now at this point. It might just be that big. Holy crap, what is this, dude? Holy crap. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Holy crap. It's a sturgeon. I think it's a sturgeon. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That's the second jump. It is staying down deep now though. Holy crap, it's pulling hard. It's coming up, it's coming up. No, 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 please don't lose this fish. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's coming up, it's coming up. Oh my gosh. God, I hope it's recording. I hope it's recording good. Bro, I need to get this fish in, dude. Please, please, please. Oh my goodness. Please stay on. Holy crap. Come on, dude. Oh my gosh, it's so heavy. Oh my gosh, it's so heavy. Holy crap. The head shakes are absolutely insane. Bro. My heart is freaking racing right now. Please, please, please. Please, please, please. It's starting to tire out though. It's getting to the bank and it's gonna give one more run, I bet. It's staying deep though. It's right there. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh my gosh. What is it? What is it? Okay, it's here, it's here. It could run. Oh my gosh, it is a sturgeon. Holy crap. Oh my. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. My line is set so tight right now, and it is not caring. Oh my gosh, please stop, please stop. Holy crap. Well, I called it. I had a feeling it had more in it. Oh God. Please, please, please don't snap. Dude, yeah, my line is so tight right now. I cannot stop it. Oh, there, it stopped. Come on, come on. No, no, it's going again. God damn. Now this is braided line, but it's not the best. It's pretty old, and it's not the heaviest. So I need to let it run because it will easily snap me off. Okay, I'm getting some back now. There, we're off. Come on. Come on, come on. I just realized that I wasn't recording that last bit. I don't know when it stopped and started recording again, but if you guys didn't see it, it came to the surface over to the right here, got snagged a second time, and then it came up to the shore, ran out that way. Oh, there's a kingfisher flying by. That's cool. Like, it is just sitting on the bottom right now, and I am barely able to pull it. Its head shakes are crazy. Holy crap. Oh my gosh. There's its tail. There's its tail again. It's at the surface again. Starting to get tired. Oh, big head shakes. Come on. Oh, he's going again. There's his tail. Come on, buddy. Get my net ready. Oh, come on. No, no, no. At least he's staying at the surface now. Oh, another tail show. Oh, he's going upstream. Oh man, he is not wanting to come in. Golly. If it sounds like my reel is loose and pulling too much drag, I promise you it is not. It is not whatsoever. Oh, big fish, big fish. Come on, dude. Big fish. Come on, dude. Come on. I don't know how I'm gonna get this guy. He's not gonna fit in my net. But I really want to take good care of him, so I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Like, as far as sturgeon go, they definitely get a lot bigger than this. But it's my first ever sturgeon, so I'll take it any day. Holy crap. Holy crap. He might go crazy if I try to net him, but I feel like I might have to, just a little. It's okay, buddy. Oh God, don't go again. God, that's a heavy fish. Unfortunately, I didn't get it on camera, the release, the proper release of him, but I was so focused on just keeping the sturgeon in good health and making sure he got back okay. So I wet my hands, put some gloves on, held him for a little while by the tail, and then he swam off that way. All good. went off instantly. So too bad I couldn't get it on camera for you guys, but I'm glad that the fish was in good health and got back safely. So guys, I think I am going to pack up and head out for the day. It's been a great day of fishing. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Yeah, catch you on the next one. The fish count on the day was about 3 or 4 walleye, 2 red horse sucker, one of them being a silver red horse, and of course that absolutely beautiful lake sturgeon. The measurements on that lake sturgeon were about 55 inches long and about 25 to 27 inches around. So definitely an amazing sturgeon to catch, especially for my first ever sturgeon. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I have my lure in the water right there, and I saw something following it up, and it is a huge crayfish. He is very interested in the lure. That is so funny. Get an underwater shot of this guy.